Codeine on this bitch. If you got a BBL, I want you to back it up. Bro, start the Hellcat up, sound like a Tonka truck. Rap nigga flashing 30 bands, D-Rich stuck him up. A nigga playing Wild Sarlowski, I'ma fuck him up. Always invest my money in them bows, cause I double.
What's good, YouTube? We back with another one, man. It's your boy Noodles checking in, man. We got another mod build series. We're finna go crazy, man. As y'all know, we did do the front splitter and the intake. So yeah, y'all know that. Front splitter and intake's on. So right now we're finna be doing these tips. I got the exhaust tips right here. About to slap them on there. Oh yeah, we did do the diffuser as well. Y'all will see the diffuser video before I drop this one. So yeah, we got these tips right here, man. Got the tips. This is what it looked like before. Got the little gap right there. That's what they look like now. Last one I put the tips on, it actually made it sound a little better too. So yeah, that's what it look like now. So these are a little bit bigger. I believe those are 4-inch, these are 5-inch. So yeah, we're gonna be installing these today. Hopefully everything goes good because I've been having problems with everything, bro. Like everything's just been not working in our favor, but we're gonna get it done, y'all. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to taking these tips off. So yeah, we got the clamps off right now. We got it all loose. We had to go run and get some WD-40 specialist, whatever it's called. Yeah, specialist. And we got to go get a fucking hammer and shit. But yeah, y'all know bro, the one who did it on my scat. Y'all remember him? We about to take these stock ones out real quick. Hopefully they fucking come out with ease because it's a newer car. They be putting them bitches on there good. Yeah. There it goes. See, you need that WD-40 specialist. He recommended this specialist to me too. I don't know the difference, but hey, you better go get you some. I got these for sale too. These stock Hellcat exhaust tips. I think they just the same ones as the RTs and all the other. They're the same shit. But I'll put them on there for like, how much do you think they would go for?
It's about 150.
150? Especially because they ain't got no miles on them for real. 150. And then we putting them bad boys on. The Crest, Viker, however you say it. But the thing is with those, I ain't really did no research on them. I heard carbon was the best, but I don't know. Bro got some on his RT and them bitches sound mean. That's the problem we had too, getting them bitches to fucking fit in there. I think that's what we, yeah, that was like another 45 minutes last time trying to get these bitches to fucking, them bitches do not slide right on like they say in the videos, bro.
Make it look easy.
They make it look easy as fuck. You put yours on, right? Yeah, you put yours on.
It ain't take that long. Man, it took about the same time. I'm close at the same time because I ran into that same problem trying to get them to squeeze in between that little plant.
Like I watched a video on it, they made it look like, bro, 5 minutes, easy, like little easy thing.
So I'm motherfucker stop. Yeah.
Whole time, niggas probably struggled the whole time. Got one of them hoes installed, bro. Looking pretty good, bro.
Which ain't going nowhere.
This ain't going nowhere. Sponsored by Vic Chris. They know they need to sponsor me. Yeah, he got it on there, y'all. Yes, sir. This one even a bitch out there, y'all.
It was talking like 35.
Yeah, 40 mile winds coming up soon. I'm like, damn.
You might hear the motherfucking free cracking out here.
Nigga. My whole trash can blew this today, and it wasn't even that bad today. My trash can blew in the whole other neighbor's yard.
Didn't even need it.
All we needed was a fucking hammer. We didn't even need a WD-40 like that. Look at that bitch. So them was silver, right?
Silver like a. Yeah, it looks like some silver.
I thought I had black tips this whole time. All right. That one for you, bro.
You know, still spray it, bro.
Yeah. How do people get theirs to stick out like this, bro?
Because they push it out further. You can push it out further so it may look a lot meaner or see a lot more of the entrance way. Or you can push it in more so it's more flush with the rear diffuser.
Oh, so you can do it either way?
I feel like it's more. I feel more comfortable having it all the way in. At least I know that coming off. Because if you hit a bump the wrong way, or you hit high clearance and it hits, hey, that's your tips.
And you know these bitches is not cheap, y'all. These bitches is $250 for two of them. These bitches is not cheap, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna get to y'all when he get this last one on, man. Peace. That bitch went way easy. Definitely changed the look for sure. And this diffuser came with like bigger ones. This other ones would have hugged it a little bit more. Bitches on there, baby. So yeah, they this one sit a little higher, but that's just because the way the pipe was cut. I don't know. It's weird shit, but we good. We finna start it.